Another feature of the Outbound platform, here we have our Prospector section. So this is where you can do an industry-wide search for specific individuals or a company-specific search. So you can search by a range of filters. So we have industry, departments, various levels from C-level down to account executive, company size and location. So you can see here we have the name, their position, industry, the company, etc. We have a feature here that indicates whether or not they've been contacted as of yet and whether they've been purchased or not. We also have additional social features such as LinkedIn and phone numbers as well. So from this then you would select your account wish list up here. So you select your account in here and you can see the returned results here. So from this then you would select on the individuals that you would like to purchase and you select on them and then click purchase here, review the selected contacts and select yes.